Hey guys, it's Casey over at Envision Graphics, just to show you how to wet app integrated engineering decal that you can find online. First, I'd like to start to prep the panel. You want to use an alcohol-based product, typically something you can find at the supermarket, such as a 70% alcohol. You don't want anything ammonia-based because it typically will react differently with the graphic and the glue, so it actually won't adhere properly. Next, we'll want to move into just the basic wet app. You want a little bit of soap. Basic dishwasher soap is used best. You just want one drop in a full-size spray bottle. Give yourself a little bit of room so that you can shake it up, mix it properly so that you get an even amount of soapy water on the surface to slide the graphic around, get it in position, then squeegee it out. Pretty basic, something anyone can do at home, and we'll show you how. When applying the graphic, you want to spray down both the car and the graphic itself while you're pulling the backing off to get a soapy water layer on both the car and the graphic, so you can move the graphic around and slide it into place. After the graphic is in place, you start squeegeeing from the center out, trying to press firmly to work out all the bubbles that are left behind the graphic so that the graphic will adhere to the paint. After you feel comfortable that it is in place and squeegeed down, I would spray down the backing, the pre-mask that's over top the graphic, to try to detach it from the graphic to make it easier to come off, because you don't want to pull the graphic when you pull off the pre-mask. After that is done, run a squeegee back over the graphic left on the car to try to get any excess bubbles out of it. After the graphic is installed, if you see a few minute bubbles in it, that'll be fine. You can leave them alone. Since it's wet applied, a lot of those will evaporate out in the sun. So if you see a couple bubbles, don't be too worried about it, and just keep an eye on it over the next couple of weeks.